gotta get back.
Dat gewoon met een boot kan wegwezen. Als dit is
You want to be there by 6?
I think we're getting up at 4:30 tomorrow.
4:30.
4:30. And horns in the clouds.
Come back to Switzerland?
Or anywhere over here.
Anywhere? We go back to Chamonix and Parapente again, and do some more mountain bike touring. I'd definitely like to do a climb Mount Blanc, the Drew.
The Drew, all right.
Yeah, like the summit, something. Do some technical climbing. Our Lady of the Swiss Alps.
Yes. I am 2 miles above my sea level acclimatization, and my thin blood plasma is making me work. But look at that. That'll do. Oh yeah. All right.
Sehr gut.
Up to the Breithorn, Gondergratz. Yeah, I'm out of liquid, so
Oh, okay.
I pretty much do need to stop there and hidden in the clouds. How you feeling?
Good.
You just kicked butt going up that. And there's the lake and Rosa and the Duvelspitz.